Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are discussing the work from home project April May task. We are discussing today the April and May task 2021. So take out your English. This page or the title page for the whole subjects, for all the subjects of class 7. So we are going to start our task. This is the English task. The task is based on all the work which we have done in our classes, in our units. Up till now we have done unit number 1 and the reading and explanation of unit 2. So first we are going to solve those questions which we have done in unit 1. Question number 1 is related to the abbreviation. Abbreviation means to only write down the initial letters of a big noun in a short form. To write a short form of a big noun. It may be the name of a country, a state, or it may be the name of any company and any title of the book, anything. So we will not title, sorry, the name of any designation means the job. Is it clear? So the first abbreviation is of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. K of Khyber will be capital, P of Pakhtun will be capital, and K of Khwa will be capital. So you will write down K.P.K. Is it clear? The abbreviation of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is KPK. The next is World Health Organization, WHO. You will take W from the World, H from Health, O from Organization, and you will write down in the capital letters W.H.O. Then United States of America, U.S.A. Is it clear? USA. You have heard and you have read this word in your social study as in the rest of the books. Then Chief Executive Officer, C.E.O. C.E.O. Okay. Then Managing Director, M.D. M.D. So what is the abbreviation of Managing Director? MD. Then number 6 is Vice President. Vice President, V.P. Then Bachelor of Arts, B.A. B.A. Then the next is Mr. You have seen in your surrounding this abbreviation that MR. MR, M will be capital and R will be small. What is the abbreviation of Mr.? The abbreviation of Mr. is MR. Okay, right then we are going to start the question number 2. Question number 2, write the letters string that fits all the words in each row. They have given you certain letters like INE, EAD, ING, LIGH. You will see that which letter can suit these words, which letters can fit in these blanks. So the first one is INE. You have here 3 blanks, so you will write down MACHINE. So the first word became machine. The first word became machine. Then again the same letters in the same words, in the rest of the words of the number 1. In the number 1 they have given you different words. You can see the commas. This shows that they are different words. The first word is machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E. The second word S-H-I-N-E, shine. Third word is A-I-R-L-I-N-E, airline. Third word is airline. The next word is C, again the same letters I-N-E, C-I-N-E-M-A. It becomes cinema. It becomes cinema. Then the next word is H. Then you have 3 blanks. So we will use this letter E-A-D. What is these letters? E-A-D. So when we put these words in this blank, it becomes head. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. Then the next word is R-E-A-D, read. R-E-A-D, read. Then B-R-E-A-D, bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Then A-L-R-E-A-D, already. A-L-R-E-A-D, already. Then question number 3. That is, now you will see how many blanks are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means which letters will fit in it? I-G-H-T. So when we put I-G-H-T in these 4 blanks, what it will become? L-I-G-H-T, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Then B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. S-T-R-I-G-H-T, straight. F-I-G-H-T, fight. Is it clear? Then we have the question number 3. Question number 3 first, because it's that question about which most of the students are very confused. Simile is showing the liking between two unlike things, showing the similarity between two unlike things. It is called simile. What is it called? Simile. So you can do it as black as coal, as black as coal, as heavy as stone, as heavy as stone, as busy as ant, as busy as ant, as dry as land, as dry as land, as white as snow, as white as snow, as sharp as a knife, as sharp as a knife. Sorry, this one is left. As wise as an owl, as wise as an owl, as clear as a day, as clear as a day. Then question number 4. As clear as sky. You can use the similes, similarities, the things which are possible. Rewrite the sentences using the capital letters and full stop. As you know that full stop always come at the end of the sentence, so you must use the full stop in all these sentences. Then you will use the capital letters. The capital letters, as you know, it must be used at the start of the sentence. So in the first sentence H will be capital, in the next sentence T will be capital, in the third sentence M will be capital, in the next sentence fourth S will be capital, and the 5 will be, because these are the start of the sentence. Then we must use the capital letter for the proper noun, for the special noun. Proper is mean special nouns, which is to given a proper place, person or thing. He is going to Karachi. H will be capital and K will be capital. The woman has long hair, so all the letters will be small, only T will be capital and full stop. Then Mr. Kashif, M will be capital, then must use a dot after the R because it's an abbreviation. So M-R dot Kashif, K will be capital. Kashif is a proper noun who was in the meeting. Then the rest of the letter will be small. Salma baked Italian pizza. S of Salma will be capital. Then Italian is a proper noun. Then which pizza? Italian pizza. So it's a proper noun. This week pizza become a proper pizza. So I will be capital and P will be capital. Is it clear? Then the next is vermicelli is a type of pasta. So vermi will be capital, then the rest of the letters will be small and full stop at the end. Our next question is, the Pied Piper is a legendary tale. The T will be capital, Pied P will be capital, Piper P will be capital because it's a proper name of a story. It's a title of a book. The Pied Piper is a legendary tale, so the rest of the letters will be small. Only these three letters T, P and P. Is it clear? The first P of Piper, then full stop. I hope you would have understood. Inshallah, in the next class, I will tell you the rest of the word. Goodbye, dear students.